Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Files app on your smartphone. Now just tap on Audio Files. Now from here, just tap and hold on the sound which you want to set as your notification sound. Now just tap on Copy. From here, just tap on Internal Storage. Now just scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now just select Copy here. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now just tap on Notification Sound. Now from here, if you swipe down, as you can see, we have successfully added a custom sound as our notification sound. Now from here, just select it to set it as your custom notification sound. And this is how you can set custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.